Hey everybody. Today we're going to talk about drawing pentagons and other three-dimensional shapes. Now, what shape is a pentagon? It's a polygon, right? And it's a polygon with 5 sides. So today we're going to use a compass, a couple of protractors and straight edges, okay? And we're going to draw a pentagon. And how I'm going to do that is going to be by first drawing a circle, believe it or not. First thing you need to do is decide where you want your pentagon. I'm going to put it right there on that black dot, if my camera will focus on it. There we go. Boom. Now it's focused. Okay. So what we need to decide is how big we want this pentagon, right? If you think of a circle, the diameter is the distance straight across the widest part of a circle. That can also mimic the size of your pentagon. So what I want to do is this. I want to draw my circle to be 2 inches. And since I want it 2 inches, I'm going to use my compass and I'm going to make 1 inch. And the reason is why? Because when you draw a circle, you're going to double it, right? It spins around. I'm going to hit 2 parts of it. So therefore, if my circle is 2 inches diameter, half of that, or the radius, is 1 inch. So we got our 1 inch, right? We do. So I'm going to take the pointy end of my compass and I'm going to stick it right here in the middle of my circle. And then I am going to cheat a little bit and spin my paper because this compass doesn't want to stay at the correct measurement. And now look, bam, got a circle. Woohoo! Okay. Now, how many sides does a pentagon have? If you told me 5, you're right. Now, we got 5 sides, right? That means we have 5 interior angles. Okay? How many degrees is in a circle? 360. So to find the measurements of the interior angles, what I need to do is divide 360 by 5. And that's going to give you 72 degrees. I know because I already did the math. Now, what does that mean? What that means is this. I'm going to take this one little protractor right here, and I'm just going to find a random spot. Just mark you a spot on the side of the circle, wherever you want it to start. Now, every protractor is a little different, so pay attention to what kind you're using. This one, though, notice this little cross section here goes onto that dot, and that dot sits on that line, okay? What I need to do is find 72 degrees. Here's between 70 and 80. There's 75. I'm going to guesstimate right about here 72. I'm going to come down and put a dot on my circle. Now, just like Bob Ross says, there's no mistakes, just happy little accidents. So we may be a little off in our measurements, and that's okay. Now, I'm going to put 5 dots around the circle. And notice every time I draw a new dot, I'm rotating around the circle, okay? And resetting my protractor. All right, now I got 5 dots, right? Now, all you have to do, connect the dots. Who doesn't love connecting the dots, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. Pentagon. Pin drop. There you go, folks. We got us a pentagon. Not too bad. Now, you can do the same thing with hexagons, octagons, hectagons, decagons, whatever kind of a polygon you want to draw. You can pretty much do the same thing here, but what you need to know is the number of sides and divide 360 degrees by that, and then your interior angles, and this is what I'm talking about when I say an interior angle. This angle right here is your interior angle, and that was 72 degrees, okay? And each one of those going around would be the same. Okay, folks, I think we're going to take a pause on the video. You guys are going to practice drawing a hexagon or some other kind of polygon shape. I hope you enjoyed it. Good luck, guys.